We listen to the demons, we let them get between us. But none of us are out here on our own, so we were cowed.